Good morning, guys. Good morning. All right, cool. So I didn't. What the heck was that? Oh my god. Hey, look at that. Oh yeah, that's lit. We lit today. All right, so we got the news today. We ain't got no news. What day is it today? The 21st. We ain't got nothing. We just got this right here. We got that garbage, and that nothing happened. So we could go straight into the charts. Didn't trade yesterday because it was praise the man that fought to unify us, right? So cool. So daily, well, we got some bullish action right here. Inverted that daily fair value gap. However, it's in this daily fair value gap right now, and it's pretty kind of reacting to it. You feel me? So it's just kind of like let's see where we at today. 4 hour. Look at that price went into this fair value gap. Oh my gosh, with this order block right here. Boom, fair value gap. I'll do a full hour right now, boy. Boom, boom, bang. All right. Did I just press cancel on it? I'm a little off today. Boom, boom. Only got like 2, 3 hours of sleep. Loving it. All right, cool. So coming over here, maybe that's going to be the next target inside of that high. Going to manipulate that high. All right, cool. So 4 hour bullish. Daily's giving some bullish tendencies. Right here, nice liquidity sweep into this fair value gap. Ooh, look at that one. Okay, cool. Price wants to, kind of inverted it, and I was going to use it. Oh yeah, okay, cool. Give me some type of narrative, some type of key level to look out for. So I say it's bullish. Yeah, I mean there was a market structure shift here, but it inverted the fair value gap. So we're gonna be down here. We got a 1 hour order block right here. 1 hour order block that it touched. So I'm gonna go back down there to see it was good. We got this fair value gap. It was already inverted though. Didn't take out no lows. I'm gonna mark this off right here because it's kind of scary. I need a new mouse. Boom. What is it? M15. Cool. So we're bullish. I'm gonna aim over here for some equal highs on the 15 minute. If I do that trade, basically the target, I'm gonna bring this chart over here. I can start looking at some divergences to see if there are any. I'm on the 15. This is the 15. Where's price at right now? Oh, there's a huge divergence actually. Boom. Price took that. More price came in here. Boom, boom. Yeah, there's a huge divergence right here with that. Dummy. Boom. All right, let's go down to the 1 minute. Let's see if there's any inversions. Because we got this one. Let's close it up a little bit. Give it a 1 minute on ES. Huge divergence. Yeah, it's pretty big. Pretty substantial, really. Alright, let's not play with that too much. But yeah, there's a divergence right here. Boom. Is there a divergence? What the hell am I looking at? Let me mark it out. So when I go to the smaller time frames, I can see it. Yeah, okay, cool. Oh yeah, look at that. Price is acting pretty bearish today. Is there a 5 minute fair value gap? Oh my god, price is pushing. It's dripping. Is there any key levels underneath there? I think so.
We lost or what?
So we're pushing. Let's see what liquidity was doing. Be aiming for those Asia lows. We already took out the London lows. Let's mark that London low. Look at that. Look how price is reacting off of that. Cool. Now I like to go long, but price has to do more for me to be confident. So I'm gonna wait for the inversion on here. And we'll go long. My chart's like pretty ugly right now. Let me delete that. London low, weekly fair value got fulfill. You know what I'm saying? So we have a lot of bullish tendencies right now. But we'll see though. Asia was crazy with it though. I kind of want to look at Asia again. Asia was wild with it. Boom, came up. London took the London highs, dropped down, took the London lows. It could be on the push up now. We do got some fair value gaps out here on the daily. But they're already inverted though and used. So this is wait, I kinda wanna go for longs today. I'll be comfortable looking for shorts if price does break below this again. I'll probably wait for a retest of the London low, and then we could aim further down to this level over here. It's a London low retest. Yeah, I mean, shoot, all the way down here is pretty clean, pretty low traffic. Why did I get that line there? What's this line? What's this line? Why did I get a line there? Cool. Let's just wait on the smaller time frame then. Like I said, I'll go for a short. Price makes a lower low again, comes back up, retest the London low. But if it doesn't, then I'll be waiting for it to invert it, and then I'll go up. I'll be going up, you know. 山西门是芒桑。I took away the hands. They were cool, but like, this ain't a game over here, man. This ain't a game. We trying to make money. I'm over here playing with emoji hands. And just for that, I should take an L today. Like, for real. I'm over here trying to get rich, get money. Quit my job. I'm over here flipping up some yellow fat finger hands. Trash, bro. Trash. Time is it? 9:58. Hurry up, man. Hurry up. You know what? Just like ICT said, man. If chewing, if hearing somebody eat bothers you, grow up, man. I was gonna mute just in case somebody watching like, oh my god, you eating while on the stream or something like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just remember ICT was just like, bro, what? You need some thick skin in this game. There's somebody eating bothering you. Maybe you ain't cut out to be here. Maybe. So in that case, watch this. On my account, right? It is minis, but I don't want to be trying no micros. Come on, man. I understand you want to be trapping these people into shorts. But we ain't got all day, man. We ain't got all day, man. So that's what I'm waiting for. I'm just waiting for it to invert, bow, take it up. Or I'm waiting for a lower low to be created, come up here to this area for the previous London low, retest the area, and then boom, take a short. So I'm flexible today. You know, I'm flexible. Sorry, y'all. But we have the structure up here, the 4 hour. That's bullish. However, we're in a higher time frame key level, so I can see price kind of reacting off of it a little bit. But we do got some bullishness, you know. We do. We got some good bullishness going on. And why are you doing that? Why is it blanking? But anyway, we got some nice bullishness going on. So yeah, just waiting to see. But like there is some bearishness, you know, like that key level that was here. Look at that liquidity that was swept right there. So it's just kind of like the 5-minute silver bullet that just happened. So we will see. We will see today. Is there still in the SMT? Yeah, there's still an SMT. Mark that out right there. Going back. Go to 1 minute right here. Making sure there's no SMTs on the 1 minute. I got that TikTok Chinese song stuck in my head, man. Pretty dope, actually. So it looks like it wants to create that lower low. And see if it distributes a little bit below it. And see if it distributes a little bit. If it even distributes. Maybe it was just to catch people in shorts. You know what I'm saying? Maybe we took a short right here. Maybe gonna lose. Maybe gonna lose, boy. Or maybe got to move before it happened. Did my London low get moved? I don't remember that being London low right now. There we go. I'm like, there ain't no London low right now. I said it took the London low. It done took it. All the volume at, man. Let's get to it. What time is it? With the macro stop. 950 macro. I had the macro set for right there. Yeah, we just waiting now. We just waiting now. Let me close that up. The mic pretty sensitive. I'm using an AirPod today. Seeing if that makes any difference. Man, I was on TikTok. I think it was before it got banned. For like 12 hours. And so somebody using an app connected to his phone and we're using it as a webcam. I'm like, no freaking way. I'm new to all this. So let me try it out. And it's looking pretty good now. I gotta go back and listen to the audio though. That was one thing about my videos, man. The audio was atrocious. I'm cutting out. It sounded far as heck. You had to put the freaking volume on like 80 just to hear me clearly. And that was trash. So it's looking pretty promising now because the quality looks already better. I can see it on the thing. I can see my face on here. It already looks better. And hopefully the audio is good too. Cause I'm gonna buy a mic for my payout. And I was like, let me just try this real quick, you know. There's only one payout, you know what I'm saying? 1.1K. Can't be freaking buying a whole studio. I got more challenges and evals to buy. I'm trying to increase the funding. Come on, man. I'm telling you, man, people they just want to catch people in shorts. They just want to catch people in shorts, bro. Because if this was the real move, if this was the beautiful move that I think it was, I feel like it would have been already displacing. Let's see what ES is doing. Yeah, like I feel like ES would have been like melting right now. Not ES, but like, you know, just in general, just melting. Nobody melting. Try. Everybody just playing with each other. Stop playing with people, man. Hurry up. Hurry up. Got 1 hour for the block. Was that a bearish one or a bullish one? That was bearish. Oh, that was bullish. That was a bullish one. Cool. It's the top of it, correct? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Make sure all of my things are good. I have to readjust that anyway when I come back because TradingView likes to edit that. Likes to play with you, you know? If we get up there. If we get up there, you know? Am my face too big? Am I taking too much? Am I taking too much of the screen? Yeah, hold on. Kind trash though because like I'm gonna black out my screen right quick because I don't know. Oh, wrong one. I don't know. There's a lot of pop up if I open this right quick. You feel me? Boom. Yep, so easy. I was opening up some messages. I went on crazy now. Went on crazy. Don't get no ideas. Oh no. Oh my god. You see? That's why I like to edit that, you know? Oh my god. Oh. Pull that up. Let's move that to the side. Come back to it, baby. Play some music. Oh, but I can't even hear the music. Trash. I got some things to fix on this stream, you know. The setup, my setup is not, it's not superior yet, still inferior. I say it's snowing outside, maybe. I say it's snowing, but like, I don't believe that. I say it's gonna snow today. Let's see if it's still gonna snow today. Why you don't put all the 4 forecast, man? What time is it say it's gonna snow today? At 10 Central. I believe it when I see it. Believe it when I see it. Alright, okay. You just take out this low. There we go. We took out the low. Perfect, perfect. I want to see a nice little retracement back into here. Hopefully the push doesn't keep going. Giving you a chance to come back into it. Need a push to come up into a little right here. It's still moving. It could run without me. It could run without me. Yeah, let's see if we get a what you call it? A retracement. Retracement into this nice fair value up right in here. 50%. Yeah, let me see what the risk is. Yeah, if it goes above the 50% and gives me some type of bearish price action, I'll feel confident to jump in. Like, there's no more SMT right here. ES came all the way down and took that low. So, yeah. Yeah, so we'll just see. We'll just see. Like I said, I wanted price to come down, and I look at equilibrium. I'm gonna try that to let me know. But I wanted price to come down, this place down, and then come up and retest that low point, and we'll see what happens. But let's see though. If it's like super strong and super bearish, it won't even get up that far. It'll just use this little fair value gap right here to continue down. Like that. That's how it sounds when I touch it. Well, yeah, so we're just watching price now. Like I said, I'll draw a little pattern for you guys. I want it to come up here, boom, boom, manipulate, come down, wow, 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 wow. You feel me? But we'll see. We'll see what price does. Get that out of here. We'll see what price does. Nice push up. Nice push up. I love it. Look at the higher time frames. Just make sure we didn't miss anything when it comes to price moving. Price is definitely retracing up to there. It's a lot of volume. It's a lot of ticks from here to up here. If I can't cover that whole thing, I don't want to take that trade. You know, I like to keep a hold of my risk. And 60. All right, now price went to where I wanted to go. I want to see some nice price action, some bearish price action. I'll be watching ES now. We got this order block right here on top of the FFEG. Still waiting for a stronger reaction. We got the fair value gap that it's in, but we also got this order block right here. That's literally in line with the end of the fair value gap. My TP would be down there. liking it at all. Just watching ES now. Just making sure, like, just looking at the emergence, looking at price behavior, really. Yeah, look at that. That's a stop out right there. Boom. Okay. Deep premium with the range. Now I'll only go short if price comes all the way down here. It inverts this little fair value gap right here. If it inverts that, then that'll be cool going short. But all that nice strength right there. Oh no. So I'm gonna go long. Right there. Yeah, I'm gonna go for the buy. I like it. Boom, boom, boom. And now all I can do is just wait. I like the trade. We'll go over the recap afterwards. Yeah, I really like this trade. Let me put it down lower for you guys. There was a lot of strength behind it. A lot of the higher time frames were strong. Like I said, they were in key levels, bearish key levels, but I felt like if they were gonna be valid, they were gonna be pushing, and there wasn't really any pushing. It took out the London low, it played with it, displaced with it, then came right back up and inverted the fair value gap right after that. So I like it. I like it, and if it's a loss, then it's a loss. But I know I stuck to my trading plan, so we'll see. And then we'll go break even once it takes that high. And once we go break even, it'll be a risk-free trade. Keep it right here so y'all can see it easier. Like I said, I'll go to break even once it takes those highs. So it came close to taking those highs, but I did it. So I didn't do anything. Got coffee now though. Shout out my wife. There we go. Took out the highs. Break even. Now it's a good trade. Now it's a good trade. Now I'm gonna do ticks 100. Boom. For those that have been watching for me for a minute, you know that I like what is it called? Waiting for price to displace through the one-to-one. So that'll be the true one-to-one. Is that then? 105? Oh, we need to go a little higher again. So I like to wait till price displaces through that one-to-one, that 100 ticks, and then I'll trail my stop tightly after that to secure the one-to-one, and then like that, boom. Yep, just like that. So it'll probably take me out right now. Yes, sir, it did. We can get it right there. 1-to-116. How much did we get this trade? 536.9. Today was a good day. Today was a great day. Let's go over the trade recap real quick so I can get on with my day. It was kind of a longer day, 40 minutes. Now, you know, my streams usually last like 20 minutes, really. Cap. Okay, let's go over the recap, man. So we were bullish today. Like, what is that? Why is that there? Get that out of there. You see this? I know y'all see that. It's like a fly. How do I get that out? Whatever. So, cool. So, we got equal lows right here. Cool. Oh, bearish, right? Cool. But we had this fair value gap that it inverted, came down, retested it, and still didn't break through it. So I was like, okay, so there's some strength here. There's some strength. We'll go down to the 4 hour. Yeah, it's kind of messy. We'll go down to the 4 hour. right? We have this fair value gap that it came down with this order block, tested it, and it closed all the way up. It even closed inside of it. So I was like, there's some strength here. But we got to remember, we're in this 4-hour fair value gap. So I was like, okay, cool, you know, let me see what we got going on right here. Boom. So I was just waiting for some reactions to the downside, but price action was really indicating to me that it wasn't that bearish. Like it didn't want to push down. And if it does want to push down today, then it'll probably do it later. But right now, I was just like, it's not giving too much strength on the downside. So I was like, okay, cool. The structure right here is bullish anyway, so let's get it. Right, so I'm bullish on that. Right here, this could be considered a market, a market structure shift. Right, we got this fair value gap right here that it kind of inverted on the downside. However, like I said, it was just rebounding. It came in, it was just rebounding. So I was just like, okay, maybe it doesn't really want to fully invert it, you know. So I was like, okay, cool. The structure, it for me was bullish because it inverted that fair value gap already, and it used it to kind of like push up a little bit more. So I was like, okay, everything is bullish, right? However, we are in some higher time frame key levels, you know, like we have a daily fair value gap that was up here. We have this fair value gap 1 hour that was inverted to the downside. So I was like, this is a day where we can go both ways, but we just need to be patient. We need to be disciplined. We need to wait. So I was like, okay, cool. I just need a lot of things to happen before I'm going either way. Right here, so came down. I took this liquidity. I took the London low, and then once I took the London low, it shot up. I was like, okay, cool. That could be a sign that it just wanted the liquidity to keep jumping up. We had the 5-minute fair value gap that was used as a silver bullet. You know what I'm saying? Good for you guys who got that, because I believe you guys won today. But it was a staggering right here, man. Just staggering. So I was just like, it's not giving too much bearishness. So I was like, I'm more comfortable going long today. And then my entry was when price was teeter-tottering on that London low, came down, took this liquidity, boom, left this nice fair value gap, inverted the fair value gap, came in, and I was like, maybe it was just reaching for like, you know, this order block right here. Maybe it wanted like the how would you say, the consequent encroachment of it, right? So I was like, maybe so, right? So maybe from here it will start melting. It wanted to trap people in shorts from this fair value gap, take them out, and also wanted to trap people in longs for the inversion. So I was like, maybe it's just stop hunting today, you know, maybe it just wants people's money. So I waited, price came down, and then it stalled. And I was like, okay, I'm comfortable going long. So yeah, I went long. I got me my money, and we up. Like, look at this, price is pretty good. It retraced a little bit, but you know, like for the people that know my trading, they see what I did. I moved my stops pretty aggressively once it displaces through the 100 ticks, and we got an easy bag today. So let's pull up the P&L tracker so we could update that. 536.9, 536.9. That's a zero. I didn't trade that day. 536.9. Boom. Right, this is gonna be. I gotta edit this. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, so I gotta trade every day until Monday, and then of course, you know, be up to be eligible for a payout again. So I'll put the tracker over here so you can see it. I'll move myself out the way. And if we look right here, this is my first trade. I didn't trade yesterday because I was super busy in the morning. Markets were going to close early, so I was just like, I'm not even going to deal with that. And then, yeah, today's here, and then we got all this. So we got PMI Friday too, I believe. Yeah, we got PMI Friday at 8:45, which is good. I like that. Because it's 8:48 right now. So what time is it? Yeah, I'm on Central. Let's just make sure. Because it'd be flip-flopping, you know what I'm saying? So 8:45, yeah, Central Time. That's like right when I sit down on the computer, so I'll probably sit down 15 minutes later, let that PMI stuff get out the way. And yeah, so that was the stream today, guys. A good stream, good money, good catch, you know what I'm saying? Patience. I read a quote today, right before I hopped on the chart. It says, the chart does not reward knowledge or skill. It rewards discipline and patience. And that's what we did today. I know exactly what I wanted, and I waited for what I wanted. And once it was there, I smartly took it. I didn't hesitate. I didn't do anything. Always wait for what you want, man. Because when you start chasing, that's when it starts. You know what I'm saying? Like imagine, London Low right here started displacing, man. People get FOMO. Like, oh man, you know what I'm saying? Like, come on, give me that one to one, give me that one to one, boom, come over to stop you out. You know what I'm saying? So it's just like, oh man, it's gonna come back. It's gonna come back to my entry, but that's not always the case. So, yeah, I love it. Good stream. Thank you guys. I'll be with you next time.